Good morning, students. How are you all? I'm your math teacher, Rishmi. I hope all are safe at home. Due to corona pandemic, we are not seeing each other for the past 5 months. You know, the schools are going to start soon. So, before that, we can revise some important portions in mathematics. Today, I'm here to explain you the topic coordinate. The topic is coordinates. What is coordinates? We studied this last year in Unit 7. Coordinates allow us to pinpoint exactly where a point or shape is on a graph or map. Coordinates allow us to pinpoint where a point on a graph. Coordinates are written in brackets separated by a comma like this. One example is given here, 1, 6. Coordinates are always written in brackets and separated by comma. They are an ordered pair of numbers, which means the order in which they are written is important. Here, the order is very important. If it is 1, 6, it is one coordinate, and if the order is changed, that is, if it is 6, 1, it is another point. So, the order of numbers are important. Here, example is 1, 6. Here, the first coordinate is called x coordinate. The first number shows us how many places to move across the horizontal axis. The first number tells us how many places we want to move across the horizontal axis. The second coordinate is called y coordinate. The second number is y coordinate, and the second number shows us how many places to move up the vertical axis. When reading coordinates, the first number should be read from the horizontal axis. The first number should be read from the horizontal axis. The second number should be read of the vertical axis. So always remember, first number is across and the second number is up. Here one graph is given. This is the origin. 0, 0 is the origin, and we want to plot the point 1, 6. So first we want to move across. So how many places want to move across? One place. So move one place across. After that, how many places want to move up? 6 places want to move up. So 6 places want to move up, and this is the point 1, 6. Remember always, first across, then up. Next we want to plot the point 3, 5. So first across, how many places want to move? 3 places. So first we want to move to origin, that is 0, 0. So first move to 0, 0, and after that 3 places across. 3 places across, after 5 places up. So this is the point 3, 5. Remember, first across, then up. Next coordinate is 6, 2. So first we want to move 6 places across, after 2 places up. So first move to origin 0, 0. After 6 places across after 2 place up. So this is the point 6, 2. Next, I am given here some pictures. You want to say the coordinates of that pictures. First two example I will tell. For the tree, what is the coordinate? 1, 1. Correct? Next, for this shoe, what is the coordinate? First, look across. Across how many place? 1. And up how many place? 5. So the coordinate of this shoe is 1, 5. The next 4 example, try yourself. Always when doing, first do across, then up. And you know, this is called Cartesian plane. X-axis is there, Y-axis is there, and how many quadrants? We studied this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quadrants are there. And horizontal axis is called X-axis and the vertical axis is called Y-axis. And the center point 0, 0 is called origin. The Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant. For first quadrant, X is positive and Y also positive. And this is the second quadrant. For the second quadrant, X is negative and Y is positive. This is the third quadrant. For the third quadrant, X is negative and Y also negative. And this is the last quadrant. For that, X is positive and Y is negative. So in Cartesian plane, we have 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant. And this is the fourth quadrant. Plotting points in the Cartesian plane. We want to plot this point here. First number is 5. That is the X coordinate. And the second one is the Y coordinate. So first move across 5 and the second point is 6. X coordinate is 5. So move 5 across after Y coordinate is 6. So move 6 up. And this is the point 5, this is the coordinate 5, 6. And 5, 6 is an example of ordered pair. XY, this is a coordinate, right? X, Y, we are writing like this way. This is same like entering a hotel. First, we want to move in the door, that means across. After that, up the elevator. The ordered pair given here is -3, 4. So, start from the origin. The first number is X coordinate is -3. So, first move to -3. So from origin move to -3. After that up 4 units. So this is the coordinate -3, 4. And next coordinate is -4, 6. So first move 4 unit. If it is negative means you want to move from origin to left. So first move 4 places to the left. After Y coordinate is 6 and so move 6 places up. So this is the coordinate -4, 6. Next point is B is 2, -3. So first move 2 place across. If it is positive, you want to move to right. So from origin move 2 places to the right. And the Y coordinate is negative here. If it is negative, we want to go down. How many places want to go down? 3 places want to go down. So this is the point 2, -3. And next point is -6, -4. The first x coordinate is negative, so we want to move to left, and the y coordinate is also negative, so we want to move to down. So first move 6 places to the left, and after that, if y coordinate is negative, so we want to go down 4 units, 4 places go down, and this is the coordinate -6 comma -4. Next point is D, that is given as 7 comma 3. Both are positive, so 7 places we want to move right, after that 3 places up. So 7 places move right, after that 3 places up, and this is the point 7 3. These points all lie in different quadrants, right? Point D lies on first quadrant, point A lies on second quadrant, point C lies on third quadrant, and point B lies on fourth quadrant. What do you notice about their coordinates? Here you can see in the first point both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. In the third quadrant both x and y are negative, and in the fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. Next we want to plot the point 5, 0. First x coordinate is 5, so we want to move 5 places across. 5 places across. After how many places up? 0 places up. That means the point is here. This is the point 5, 0. Next coordinate is 0, 6. How many places we want to move in the x-axis? 0 places. So it is in the origin itself. After that, how many places up? If it is positive, we want to move up. So 6 places up means from origin 6 places up, and that is the point 0, 6. The next point is -7, 0. If the x coordinate is negative, we want to move to left. How many places? 7 places want to move to left. So first move 7 places to the left. After how many places up? 0 places up. And this is the point -7, 0. And the next point is h 0, -3. So the x coordinate is 0. So we want to move 0 places, right? So it will come here, and after that how many places down? Why down? Because the y coordinate is negative. If it is negative, we want to move down. How many places? 3 places down. So from the origin move 3 places down, and this is the point 0, -3. These points all lie on the axis, right? Point E lie on x-axis, point F lie on y-axis, and point G lies on x-axis, and the point H lies on y-axis. What do you notice about the coordinates? If it is in the x-axis, the y-coordinate should be negative 0. And if the point lies on y-axis, the x coordinate should be 0. Here you can see the coordinate x is 0 for F, and also for H the x coordinate is 0. Thank you. I will meet you with another lesson.